The bear looks a little bit evil to me, so I'm going to do a little bit of work on this. So big eyes. Okay. I think that bear looks much cuter. Okay. Evil bear. Excellent. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to do birds adjustment. smoothing action, which is available in our product 0 to Skin for all different kinds of skin. I am going to put my opacity at 50% to start with the baby. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to do another curves adjustment layer, and I'm going to bump up my midtones a little bit more. Going to leave that all over my entire image, okay? That little pink tone is something that I really like so I'm going to leave that there. I am going to come in and I'm going to do another levels adjustment. This time I'm going to do it in my green channel, and I'm just going to add 5 here. And it just brought it down a tiny bit and made it a little bit then going to come in and I'm going to add a little bit of saturation. I am going to come back down to my background layer. I'm going to take my eyedropper tool and I'm going to select the color right out of the top right here. I'm going to come in and I'm going to go to layer, new fill layer, solid color. Okay, there's the color. Click on my layer mask, make sure my foreground is white. Click on my gradient tool. I'm going to choose my linear gradient and I'm going to paint up from the bottom. Now, I don't want it over his foot, but my purpose is I want it to match the top and the bottom. So I'm going to take my black brush and I'm going to take it off. started with my image here, and I ended here. Again, I started here, and I ended here. Thanks for joining me.